Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice. In this module, I want to show you how you can link data from Calc into Writer and have it automatically updating when there's a change in Calc. So here on the screen, I have some data in Calc. I've just typed the actual instructions of what you need to do, and I'll put that on the video as well. So basically, I'm going to make some space, and then I'm going to get myself into Calc, put some data here, which I want to copy. So if I highlight this data, copy in the same way you'd normally copy, Ctrl+C I'm using. Going back into Writer, my cursor's there, that's where I want it to go. Then I'm going up to the Edit menu and Paste Special and Paste Special. Now when you get into this box, the option you need to select is this one, Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE link. Click OK to that. It drops the data in there like so. And then if you go back into Calc, so let's have a quick note. So that says 222, 4 2s. Now if I can go back into Calc and change that to 4 3s, 1 2 3 4, and then changed it in Calc, come back into Writer, and then you can see that it's automatically updated like so. So if I just do that again, make myself a little bit of space in Calc, let's just say, let's copy this one cell, copy, and then get myself back into Writer. And then you can put that anywhere really. It could be part of this narrative. You might have to consider the font sizes, but if I go Edit, Paste Special again, and then same thing, okay, that drops that in there. So it's dropped it in there with the table on, which is something you can probably hide so it doesn't show that. But there you go, and that again will change if I go back into Calc, change some of these figures. If I delete that figure, that's changed down to 70, back into Writer, and that's picked it up. So that's just a very quick video on how to grab some data from Calc and have it automatically updated in Writer. So like a management report where you've got data changing all the time, but the narrative of your report's pretty similar. That's a very common feature where you can use Paste Special and get it to automatically update. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.